Finally. Okay, so hello. Good morning, Mrs. Ganzon. Welcome. First of all, thank you for making some time para sa among sa aning interview. I am Rhea Charlene Padua, a third year CE student from USTP. So today, mag-conduct mig interview about the problems and solution in project management. Then, so please, can you please introduce your name, ma'am, and unsa imong work?
Okay, I am Amaral Gretchen T. Ganzon. I am 45 years old, widow, and a project officer in charge at Cagayan Glass Aluminum Palace. It is now a SIGAP Glass Installer Services. Currently, I was on leave because of the family issues that I have to settle. So I'm just enjoying my time right now in my hometown.
Okay, wow, okay. Thank you. So, start ta sa first question right away, ma'am, no? So, sa imong field of work, can you name at least three major problems nga ma-encounter nimo sa inyong project or sa project management? Kay di ba di gina malikayan nga naa jud ma-encounter nga errors in terms sa pag-conduct ug pag-handle sa usa ka project.
Yes, it's always have kanang unavoidable circumstances na magkaproblema gid ang installations. Though it was scheduled, it was properly assigned to people nga expert na sila may expertise on that field and napagyapon well. For example, is the kanang time frame.
Hmm.
So we have this project. Example in Gaisano, one major project we have is the Gaisano malls. So right now we're installing Gaisano Mall, Valencia. So we have the 2 weeks span of time sa installations. So tempered man ang mga glass na gamito na mo. So we have once a week nga magluto sa glass. So after that week, installation na. So we have the schedules na and we have the people assigned. So upon installation sa site, na mga tendency nga mga buak ang glass. So that's beyond our control.
Ah.
So delay ang among installation since nabuak man ang glass. So that's one problem. That is common problem na mo sa among glass installations kay we cannot anticipate when mabuak ang glass.
Mm.
So another delay kay we have to go back to our plant para magkuha na po og alain nga glass mag-cut. So one is time frame. We cannot control the time frame nga though naka-schedule siya na we have to finish on a certain period of time. So kana siya nga mga circumstances nga mga buak siya, unavoidable man siya namo. Next, other problem is the people involved. Though we already assigned people that was on their specific task nga magtaod, so we have the installer, we have the helper, we have the drivers nga mag-deliver sa mga material sa project. So if one installer, major installer namo is dili makasabay sa biyahe, so that is another problem. Example, nagkasakit siya. So we cannot push him to join the team kay kasakit man or other family issues. So kana sad siya, isa sad na siya nga makakos sa among problem sa among installations.
Mm.
Or ang driver is not available or we don't have driver nga pwede maghatod sa site. So that's the people involved sa mga project. So isa sa na siya maka-cause of problem sa among installation. Then the third problem is the weather.
Well,
Oh. So sa amo, it is an advantage kung sunny day or one fine day nga installations kay we can install the glass, especially kanang mga kanang mga curtain walls or kanang mga glass bitaw tanan. So we need that kanang fine weather. If mag-ulan-ulan, especially nowadays, medyo gloomy ang weather. So we have to reschedule our installations kay di man mauga ang among sealant. So ang tendency ana mga tagak ang glass or dili mahawid ang glass since di man siya mauga. So that's another problem that we cannot avoid.
mm. So kana sa mga kuan kita mo ay Miss Ganzon ba kay kanang sampo sa mga times nga mabuak, mapil po na ang production cost ninyo na.
Yes, we have to shoulder the production cost kay ang among estimates is the installation man. So biyan ana, example kung mabuak, that's our own na siya nga kuan. Lugi.
Logi. Okay.
That's our own lugi companies kuan loss.
Okay. So for the next question sa major problems nga na-mention nimo earlier, what are the corresponding solutions nga ginabuhat ninyo para ma-solve na siya nga problem?
Ang kuan na namo is katong sa time frame. So we have backup installers na if that person is dili siya available, so we have another installer nga i-replace. Dayon next is katong sa mga time frame namo nga magka-delay mi, we have backup nga cutting sa glass nga if in case mabuak, there is alternative namo nga magpadala mi og another set of people nga mag-deliver sa mga item. Or if sobra kalayo, example, katong amo experience sa Butuan, so we have a company, sister company there. So dito mi nagkuha og mga glass nga replacement sa nangabuak. So ina na ang among mga alternative pero dili siya all the time applicable kay katong sa among Valencia, we don't have sister company there. So nagpadala gid mi from Cagayan de Oro again to Valencia nga special treat for the replacement of the glass. Na indana.
Okay, so weather, what about sa weather? Kanang problems?
Ang sa weather since natural kuan man na siya. So magpasidaan na lang mi sa customer nga though we have 1 week to finish the project but since the weather is not good, it's not favorable to us, so we have to inform na lang the customer that sorry, we cannot promise what we have or we had promised sa customer since is unavoidable man gid nga dili na makontrol nga paano sa weather. Inana lang. So usahay ang customer moogot. Okay, they have deadlines kaya also naka-schedule na ilang blessings, naka-schedule na ilang soft opening, but the glass is not yet installed, it's not yet ready. So they have to reschedule na sad kay we cannot finish man the project.
Okay. Tapos kato din sa people involved, no? Maron kan?
Sa people involved, we have the replacement or we have the backup installer nga if in case it is not available, we have the alternative installer nga ipasend na mo sa project as a site.
Wow. Di ko travel pa din yung work day.
Ako office-based ra ko pero ang mga installer ga-travel gid sila kay different sites man, different locations man. So mo-coordinate lang ko with customers since sa technology karon maka-coordinate naman through video calls, phone calls, then send lang din sa messenger ang mga details para ma-organize na lang po dayon ang installation.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Amara Gretchen. Those are all the questions that I have for you. And again, thank you sa paghatag og time sa among thank you kaayo sa imong cooperation yun. Yay!
Okay, sige, salamat. Thank you.
Kayo. Have a blessed
Okay.
Sunday ahead.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Okay. Yan na nakuha.
Okay, sige, thank you. Bye-bye.